guys, welcome back to TaylorMade TV. Today I'm just refreshing an old twist out. It's time to do my refresh. Take a piece of hair and I've already spritzed it with my water. I'm using Giovanni Direct Leave-In, if you can see that, for my oil, and I am using the L.O.C method. And I'll also insert information about what the L.O.C method is a bit. But with the L.O.C method, you will use a leave-in, you will use a oil, and you will also use some type of a cream. And with this one, I'm using the Aunt Jackie's Curl La La Defining Curl Custard. So that's what I'm using for today to moisturize my hair. So I've already spritzed it. I'm gonna use just a little bit, just like a little dime size. It doesn't have to be a whole lot, especially since it's a small section. Just a little bit. And I've already detangled this section. And just work it in really, really good. And if it's not moisturized enough for you, you can use as much as you need. Use a little bit of oil. I don't know if you can see that. Just a dime size. Focus on my ends and work my way up. And then just a dime size of the curling cream. And you twist it up. Simple as that. I hope and pray you all have a blessed day. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Drop them down below and I will make sure I answer. Until the next time, guys, thank you for stopping by TaylorMade TV.